Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about the mode button Fill to Length, which is located up here. I'm going to load my paper, my cutting mat, and I want to cut out this little fence border which is found in the Paper Doll Dress Up cartridge. And with my coding of my keypad, I know it's on button E10. So I have my Fit to Length button turned on, and I'm going to press E10, and I know that I want this little fence to be 10 inches long. I don't know how high it is going to be 10 inches long, because this would cut, if I hold my book here, this is how it's going to cut the image, is how it's laid out in the book. So I don't know how tall I need to make that to make it a 10-inch length. So I am going to set my size dial to 10. So on the screen here it says 10 inches, and I have pressed the button so our little fence is also showing up on there. And I am going to press the cut button. Alright, I'll unload the paper. And I'm going to peel away. Okay, so now all these little pieces here need to come out yet, but you can see this cut 10 inches long. And now I know that it would be this certain height, but that's how you can get that. These I cut over here. This one I cut at a 3-inch length. And this one I cut, it was a 6-inch length. And then I cut the 10-inch length. So that is the Fit to Length mode button. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at SaleHandmadeProducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.